The new dispensing calibration is holding perfectly.
Uniformity looks excellent.
Switching to the mint green base for the next batch. Ensure the pressure remains consistent for the rosette pattern. The filling volume is precisely metered. Quality checks are mandatory at every layer. The rotational speed is optimized for the clean, smooth coat. Beautiful coverage on all sides.
Moving to the border application now. The new piping nozzle gives us that premium ripple effect.
Zero tolerance for foreign materials. It starts with meticulous preparation of the team.
Footwear is the first barrier. Let's ensure every tread is spotless.
Thorough rinsing of the boots. And remember the 30-second scrub for the hands, from fingertip to forearm.
Hands dry, fresh gloves on. One last sanitization check, ready for product handling.
The new egg processing unit manages over 100 eggs per minute. Zero waste, maximum efficiency.
Perfect crack and separation. The integrity of the yolks is essential for the rich sponge. Continuous flow achieved. The sorting system automatically diverts any shell fragments.
Individual portioning on track. These cups go directly to the mixing station.
Transport speed is optimized to minimize transit time to the prep area. Base ingredients fully combined, maintaining an even flow rate for consistent pre-mix quality.
Adding the dry components now. Total mass confirmed. Starting the initial gentle blend. Next, the granulated sugar. We'll increase the speed slightly to activate the aerating process. Final liquid hydration stage complete. Checking the consistency for optimal flow into the depositor.
Look at the stretch on the batter. The gluten structure is developing perfectly.
Adding the berry extract and coloring agent. Start with a slow fold to prevent aeration loss.
Full integration in 30 seconds. The vortex mixing ensures zero streaking.
This mix requires intense shear. Target density almost achieved for the fruit sponge.
Color concentration is critical here. Visual check shows a perfect transition to a deep rose.
Adding the dark chocolate essence. Slow blend to ensure a rich, consistent color saturation.
Liners checked and secure. Maintaining a steady pace to feed the next station.
Batch 4 is running. Volume checks are green. Perfect fill level on all 12 ports.
Switching to the deep dish molds. Adjusting the cutoff pressure to prevent dripping.
This large format mold needs a single, continuous pour. Confirming final weight. Color change complete. The multi-hopper system is cycling through the different batters efficiently. Loading the convection oven now. Tray alignment looks good. Confirming the 2-minute window. Rack 2 is ready for the high temperature cycle. Be mindful of the floor clearance.
Tray is in. Start the timer. 5 minutes until the initial steam blast. Temperature check shows a perfect crumb. Bringing them out now, careful with the residual steam.
The ultrasonic blades are engaged. Zero friction, zero drag. Perfect 4-way portion.
Loaves are out. Look at that golden crust. Stacking them for immediate cooling.
Sponge release looks clean. The base texture is open-pored and fully set.
Immersion glazing is a success, maintaining the ganache at 30 degrees for a perfect sheen.
Collar applied and tight.
This ensures a clean edge for the final presentation.
Multi-portion cut engaged. Ensures identical segment size and perfect visual presentation.
Layering cut initiated. Thickness confirmed at 2 centimeters, ideal for stacking.
Layers 1 to 3 are centered. Next step is the light dampening for moisture retention.
Radial cut is clean. 8 identical portions ready for individual packaging.
Switching blade pattern for the multi-layer cake. Check the internal structure, beautifully defined.
The single-serve format is perfectly sized, ready for the final glaze station. Aeration process at maximum, achieving the desired stiffness for the lightest filling.
Introducing the fresh milk, ensuring an even flow before we accelerate the mix.
Base fat secured. Slow speed to incorporate the liquid and achieve a smooth emulsion.
Edge scraping is vital, ensuring a uniform texture from the center to the rim. Final quality check on the ganache. Perfect ribbon stage and firm peak achieved.
Side coat smoothing is locked in. The final pass is for mirror finish results.
Ganache waterfall deployed. Full coat coverage achieved. Moving to the dry topping application. The robotic scraper corrects all minor imperfections, ensuring a uniform surface profile. Slicing and filling in a single motion, ensuring perfect alignment on the layered product.
Filling density is confirmed. Manual smoothing ensures complete layer-to-layer contact.
3-layer stack complete. Perfect centering maintained. Ready for the final crumb coat.
First coat of cream is applied. This layer locks in the moisture and secures the crumbs.
Final smoothing on the vanilla frosting. We're looking for a sharp, clean edge for the drip effect.
Drip height is perfect. Flow rate maintained for uniform vertical lines. Mini cake line at full speed. Full side coverage with 0 waste.
Rosette pressure is perfectly calibrated. 3 roses per board, ready for the fruit line. The sheet cake border is uniform, maintaining consistent shell size and spacing. Dual color application is flawless. The decorative element adds visual complexity to the final product.
Edge alignment is perfect. No overlap, clean corners. Maintaining the 5mm shell width.
Unformed drip applied. Ensuring complete coverage down the entire length.
Multi-nozzle piping is operating at optimal speed. All rosettes are structurally identical.
Green border application is precise, maintaining the angle for a defined shell pattern.
Detailed script and drawing feature engaged. The fine nozzle maintains a 1mm line width. Textured top coat applied. The large spiral motion adds depth to the surface presentation.
Border thickness increased for this product, ensuring the lime green stands out against the dark ganache. The new blue color is running now. Checking for any air pockets in the deposition. Looks excellent.
Speed check confirms 120 units per minute. All decorations are holding firm for packaging.
Layering sequence 2 is complete. Suction pressure set to prevent any layer shifting.
Bases are firm and clean, ready for the final cream coat. Maintaining product separation.
High volume cream application successful, achieving the desired peak height and uniformity.
Cookie filling is underway. Target mass per dollop is 10 grams. Holding tolerance.
Top cookie placement complete. Centering is precise for a uniform sandwich.
Tart shell filling is active, ensuring the viscosity is correct for a clean, dome-shaped peak. Pour injection sequence complete. Volume set at 5 milliliters per unit for optimal flavor distribution. Center spot application is on target. This adds the final flavor note to the product.
The high-rise swirl is complete, ensuring the temperature of the cream is maintained for structural hold.
Second layer placement is aligned, ensuring no gaps before the next stage of filling.
Shredder is running, maintaining even distribution across the entire surface.
Rustic texture coat complete. The specialized tool provides that artisan, hand-finished look.
Custom script is clean and centered. Letter height is consistent for high legibility.
Color change on the fly is smooth, testing the yellow pigment flow for the next batch.
Personalized message is centered. The consistency of the script is perfect for presentation.
Red pigment flow is strong. Letter width is consistent for maximum visual impact.
Happy birthday script completed. Spacing and curve maintained for the circular design.
Multi-nozzle floral arrangement is complete. The layering of petals creates a realistic look.
Applying the centers and leaf veins. Color consistency check on the yellow is good.
Large format script is executed. The purple is vibrant, and the flow is even.
Cutting the fruit ring. Uniform slice size ensures a clean wall presentation.
Base cream is piped. Second layer is seated, light pressure for full contact.
Tube pattern is neat and consistent. This provides an excellent base for the final glaze.
A dollop of our specialty cream for a light finish. Presentation is key for the fresh products. A light dusting of sugar to highlight the carve. Finished product looks vibrant. Banana rings are centered, ensuring even spacing for the final chocolate piping. Final chocolate border applied, keeping the pressure steady for a uniform bead. The shell border requires a steady hand. Final detailing enhances the cake's elevation. Mango cubes are packed tight, leveling the top before we set the glaze. A delicate dusting of sugar to finish. The white contrast really makes the mango pop.
All fruit must be uniform and clean.
We're on schedule for the first batch of fruit tarts.
Building the triple layer fruit ring. Ensuring the color distribution is perfectly balanced.
The blueberry arc provides a beautiful contrast. Final placement check before the glaze.
Miniature detailing requires the same focus. 2 green grapes and 1 raspberry per piece.
Successful run. Our fruit tarts are ready for dispatch. Would you like me to process another video or perhaps create a similar screenplay for a different product line?